Hey guys, it's LovePuppy34 here, and I'm gonna do a collection video because I haven't made one. Okay, let's just out of the hole. So first we have Nala, my signature my signature endangered cougar. Her name is Nala because she kind of looked like the Nala from Lion King, which is really cute. She's really cute. And she's got a little bow in her ear. Check that out. Yeah. Get it in. Oh, there's a rotting smell here. So, yeah. And then we've got Sam, the Chow Chow. So, he's the Webkinz Chow Chow. He's really cute. I think he's really cute. So, and then we've got the Webkinz signature Ocelot, and her name is Maggie. And then we've got my brother's Webkinz. I'm just using them in the collection video, so everyone knows. Okay, but never mind. He just made a decision. It's mine. Winky the gecko, the leopard gecko. Tish tag. Show its tish tag here. You can focus. Yep, the lizard. I forgot to show you the tish tags. Gotta get to that. Okay. They don't have their names. Nala. I like the cha-cha. You can only see the Nala. You can't see the endangered cougar thing. Okay, my hand is getting tired from holding it. Whoa, this thing is heavy. Okay. I'm sitting on rocks. Rocks are very uncomfortable to sit on. Okay. Gonna show his tish tag. It's all cut out. Oh yeah, I didn't show that one. And then we've got Ginger the Ginger Bunny. It's just stuff. And sorry if you hear anything. That's my bunny over there. Just get a close up on. Oh, close ups. Close ups let it down. Yeah. So, yeah. And then we're going to Lizzie the lemon lime lizard. Show her tish tag. Okay. And I didn't. Oh, that's black wasp. And then we've got Tigger and Poofy's Tigger and Poofy's striped alley cat. You can see it. Yeah, you can't see it. Sorry. And then we've got Goldie, the Littlekins golden retriever. She's got her tish tag. Little bugs are really pretty. Yeah, they don't feel that good. It's really annoying. And then there's Stella, my Webkinz White Terrier. There's her tish tag. I think I'm gonna take it. Like, oh, this is so comfortable. And then we've got Joy, my peppermint puppy. Peppermint? Oh. Peppermint? Peppermint. Peppermint.
like what they use in jelly. Ah, there's a red hornet. Another red hornet. It's a hornet. Tin bug. You have when you're in town. You're like, ooh. I'm a fat dude.
So yeah. Got Joy.
Owie. Buddy.
Where is he?
You don't know. There he is. There he is. He's flying away. Goodbye. See you never. Actually, that's the second time I've seen one of those. Probably the same one.
Someone killed you.
I was dead a long time.
Okay, and then we've got going on to Hope, my lollipop pup. Here's her TikTok. And she's at dogs. There it is. Hi, there's a wasp over here. It's scaring me. Look at him. William? And then we got Kita. Gosh, right there. Kita, my small signature gray habitat. So yeah, that's my collection. And then sorry, but I don't have Onyx with me. I usually make videos with him. But yeah, he's at school, tomorrow's school. So yeah. So bye guys.